you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. One medium size beetroot. I'm already removed the skin. That's why it looked that kind of way. Don't worry yourself. It's still good. All right. Yeah. Ginger. Fresh ginger. Excellent. So we're gonna put some more ginger inside of it. Cucumber. All right. Yeah. Can't go wrong with cucumber. Got some lime. Here it is, one medium-sized lime. Excellent. In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys. All right. So amazing. Lovely. One green apple. That is excellent right there, as you guys can see. All right, now, as I say, a lot of people decide they want to do something fantastic in the new year. Start off the new year healthy. That's the most important thing I would say to you guys, honestly. All right. Excellent. Beautiful one. That it is right here. All right. Lovely. So good news. The book is still available. All right. Now, thank you for every one of you guys who so far did support me to get the book. We have the new book coming out now. It's very soon. All right. So the new book we should be talking about over the last 1.5 years. All right. As I said before, a lot of people have brought this book and said, Chef Ricardo, we're going to have to support you for you to get your next book out. So we still have a few more things working on the other book. The other book, as I said before, it's all about my recipes, and I'm sure you see I'm being doing right now. Trust me, you guys gonna love that book. It is an amazing book. Lots of page. So if you didn't get yourself still a copy of this one, please feel free, grab yourself one copy and support. The brand new book will be releasing. It is an amazing book. And as I said before, the book, this right here, is all about me personally, Chef Ricardo. The new book is all about my recipes. Do not get it confusing, guys. All right. So if you want to support and share some love. Now, we're going to get some water. New book is coming out, guys. Right here, that's the water. I'm gonna put roughly about a cup of water inside of it. All right. Little bit of organic honey. We're gonna put inside of it. Not too much. Excellent. Lovely. That's good raw organic honey, guys. All right. Get yourself a copy of the book and support. Let's put on the lid. And this is how it looks right here. All right, now we're gonna blend it. Make a little bit of a noise. Excellent. Let's run it through our strainer. Excellent. All right, lovely. So here it is. Pour it off. That's the beautiful and an amazing beetroot juice with some cucumber, ginger, lime, apple. That is amazing. Beautiful one. There's more. Okay, don't get me wrong. There's more inside of it. But we're not gonna stress it too much. We're gonna pour it off. What I'm talking about right there. Beautiful juice, and it is very simple. It doesn't complicate it, and trust me, you guys can do the same thing at home. If you are interested enough in making a healthy juice or a healthy recipes, you don't know it already, grab it, get yourself in the kitchen and just do what you have to do and let it happen. Fantastic and an amazing one right here in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sigh. Taste